Hello, this is the first video. My kids will probably watch this when they're 40. But this is the first video of remodeling the farmhouse. Had about 3 dumpsters this size. Second dumpster knocked this wire down. It's about 9 feet off the ground right now. Thank God for the tree. Just cleaning up some junk. I'm going to show some videos along the way. Had to get some stone. Snowed last weekend. This is April 15th, 2016. It's a Friday. It's going to be beautiful weather today. Had to get some stone for the driveway. It was real muddy so the truck could get in. The house is finally cleaned out except for the basement. Some junk on the porch. But I will make some videos as they go along with the repair. I should have made some videos probably before, but I'm not too interested in documenting how somebody else lived. Get it back to a clean slate and video the remodel. This was the kitchen, and you had to go in here. To the family room. Porch. The upstairs. Right here. This room was by far the worst. Condition wise and the storage junk. You can see there's a leak there. We're gonna fix that. Bathroom, nothing fancy. The sink, which is shimmed with the toilet or with the bulk, is shimmed there because the bottom is missing a piece. You come in here, was the master bedroom. Again, beautiful view. Plan is to put some black Angus over here. And a lot of outbuildings. 8 outbuildings. Nice. But I will make some videos along the way, mainly to document my progress. And for my kids to appreciate, which they probably will. Taylor, Brendan, Olivia, and Bobby, because they're helping me and my wife, Kelly, clean up. Not sure what these rooms were. No heat, so they were in poor condition. But yeah, that's it. I will document more. This is video number 1, and I'll try and keep series in order as we go with the remodel, and I'm shooting for about 18 months for the remodel to take place. Cost-based budgeting. Alright, I think I hear the dumpster truck coming. Nope, just a propane truck up there. So, I'll have video number 2 when I do something more different. Thank you.